Hello everyone, it's Anna from Skycomp Solutions. In 2024, more and more companies are transitioning from classic Outlook to a new Outlook. Have you seen the small switch button on the top right corner of your Outlook? Are you still hesitant about it? Let me share your top 5 reasons why you should do it. Alright, are you ready? Let's go! One of the most useful features is actually in a new Outlook calendar. Now you can edit the event or meeting or an appointment within the series just in a few clicks. Let me show you how it works. Imagine you have a meeting with your marketing team every third Thursday of a month. After a while, you've noticed that your team is way more productive earlier in the morning when they got their first coffee, for example. So you decide to switch all the upcoming events to 9:30 in the morning. Let's have a closer look. As we can see, we have our meeting on third Thursday of a month at 11 a.m. and this meeting already passed, so we want to change the meeting in September and all upcoming months. So we find the meeting on the calendar, we hit edit, and we hit edit all events in the series. And we want to move it to 9:30 to make sure that our team has the highest productivity. It automatically puts on for an hour. It repeats it every month on the third Thursday. Just hit save and save the series. And if we check September, October, all of our meeting moved to the 9:30 a.m. Another great feature, we still stick to the calendar. Now you can see the meeting that you have declined. They will show up on your calendar, but they won't fill your schedule. Just in case if your other meeting got cancelled and you have time to attend a different one. To do that, open your calendar, go to your filter, click meetings, and choose a decline button. Let's go to the email part. Now you can add people, groups, or categories under your favorite tab to never miss the email from that coworker. You know who I'm talking about, right? Let me show how you do it. You select favorites, choose 3 dots, and there's the option add favorite. I'll find myself, and here we are. If I click on my name, I see all the emails that I ever received from myself. In the newest version of Outlook, you can pin conversations that need your attention the most. They'll be right on the top and they'll never go away until you unpin them, of course. This feature helps you to keep your priorities right on top. Another feature, the search system improved too. Now you can search through calendar, through meetings, events, files, and Teams tab just in a couple of clicks. Isn't it the best thing ever, especially when you have tons of things to care about? And here is a bonus. What's my favorite feature, you might ask? So my answer is simple. I like that I can customize the appearance of my Outlook to match my personal preferences. I can make the theme darker or lighter. I can put a picture on a background color. And another small thing, as soon as you open your Outlook, before you used to see the last open email appearing right up, but now you have this small email icon. It kind of gives me a little bit of extra privacy, you know? Let me know what was your favorite feature in the comments below, and stay with the Skycomp Solutions. Bye!